guys, as you can see, we already started opening this
laptop.
Yeah. So we are gonna see what is it like to be inside a laptop. Yeah. And I'm eating this. This is a frozen lolly. Right, Dad?
Yeah. Is it tasty?
Mm.
You like it? I'm glad you like it.
This is the best lolly ever. Yeah, frozen lollies. This one is from this fruit right here. This is the fruit that it's made from.
It's
This one right there.
let's see. It's written Fersken Sunnlolly. It's Norwegian for people
Yep.
who don't know. Okay.
Let's move on opening it. Laptop, of course.
So what do we have here? Here is the memories,
Ooh,
and this is the hard disk. And it has some screws that we have to take out. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Four
And then it's
screws. Take this off.
And after we take the screws out, you will see how interesting is the system to
be.
to take the hard disk out. Take it out.
And how much work does this does to put the cartoon or the music on?
Well, on this one it's everything. On this one is like the entire operation system and all the movies and all the... That's on the hard disk. See? That's the hard disk. And how do we take it out now? Look here. There is this ribbon. Yeah? And I just drag it a little bit here back so it got out from this slot. And now it's out. See?
That is under the hard disk. Who put all of that paper under there?
The people who built it. Yeah, it's with all the information we need for this hard disk. So that is how we took out the hard disk, and again we can take a look inside.
Under the hard disk.
Yeah,
That's how it looks like under the hard disk, guys.
Yeah, and we have to be very, very careful. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Oh, but we didn't open the laptop, the whole thing yet.
No, we don't need right now. For now, we try to fix this one because this doesn't start. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. In the next one, we are gonna explore the other part of the laptop. See you.